This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 29 RLDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 36 feet 7 inches in length and features smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, air conditioning, TV, oven, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.